Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Ecomi. Oh my goodness, what is the current price of Ecomi? What is the price since occur in the Ecomi? And especially this video is very important for all Ecomi holders. Please keep watching this video till the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now let's move on and let's start the video, friends. If you look the currently latest price of the Omi, so you can see here 0.003005 USD is the currently latest price of the Ecomi and the market. And if you look the currently latest price since okay in the Ecomi, so now there's a good news, but there's a bad news, but I'm sorry. There's the reality of Omi coin at this time. The last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is positive, and last 1 week pricing is again negative. Remember, my friends, I have a good news for all of you friends, but there is a possibility. Maybe they move upward and maybe they fall down in the future. We can't say about, but on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, there is a lot of chances to they take a jump, friends. You can see here in the start of new month, friends, that is the last 1 month price chart. In the start of month, they falls down. Whole month falls occur in the Omi coin, but you can see here in the last of month they start moving upward, friends. So maybe, my friends, there is a possibility, there is a lot of chances they continue this jump for a long time, friends. And I hope in the start of new month, in the start of June, maybe there is 100%, there is 90%, 100% positive change occur in the Omi coin in the future, friends. In the start of June, there is chances to take a jump, friends. 30% chances to they falls down and 70% chances to they move upward, friends. So we can't say about the future, but I hope that they will take a jump in the June, friends. Anyways, now the previous time chain is going bad, but I recommend, my personal suggestion for everyone is that it's time to hold, not to sell. For instance, if you decide to sell Omi coin at this time, so you are in the loss because the pricing is negative, so you are in the loss. And if you decide to hold, so maybe there is a chance that they take a jump in the future, friends. That is why I really recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.